Good morning, all of you. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Could you tell me the last thing I've done in class?
We gave some questions on ozone analysis.
I gave some questions. Okay. Can you share one of you on the group like so that I can solve it here? Is any one of you sharing it?
And I sent it on the group.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so the answer for this would be did you all get this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this one you got it as this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sarthak, what I did was I just removed the double bond O and this O. And these two carbon atoms from where I'm removing the oxygen, I just join them with a double bond. That is how I get the answer. Sarthak, did you understand? Okay, okay. Okay. Now here, can I say this will be the central part of the alkene? Because how
Yes,
many
ma'am.
oxygen here?
2.
Two.
So I could join this here and I could join this here. So I'll get a diene.
Cyclopentadiene.
No, this is not going to give me cyclopentadiene.
Okay, ma'am.
Cyclo मतलब cyclic होगा ना, ये cyclic थोड़ी होगा.
Yes,
Is this cyclic?
No,
no.
miss.
Did you all get this?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम इसका मैकेनिज्म बताओ ना ये वाला।
अच्छा ये ऑक्सीजन हटा दो, इसका भी ऑक्सीजन और ऑक्सीजन हटा दो.
यस मैम।
ठीक है, तो अब ये जो पार्ट है, इसका जो कार्बन है और इसका ये कार्बन, इनको कनेक्ट कर दो विद अ डबल बॉन्ड.
यस मैम.
सेम वे ये कार्बन यहाँ पर और ये कार्बन को कनेक्ट कर दो विद अ डबल बॉन्ड.
यस मैम.
इसके दो कॉम्बिनेशंस मिलेंगे. डिड यू गेट टू?
Yes, miss.
Because this part, it's unsymmetrical. Unsymmetrical मतलब एक साइड पे मिथाइल है और एक साइड पे हाइड्रोजन है. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes मैम.
So what I could do is I remove these oxygen and then I could join this part of the molecule here and this molecule here. What is the other thing I could do? Instead, I could join this on this carbon and this on this carbon. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
So I'll get two different combinations. I'm writing both.
दोनों इक्वल अमाउंट्स में होंगे.
दोनों इक्वल अमाउंट्स में नहीं, दोनों अल्कीन्स ये जो मैं लिख रही हूँ, both these alkenes can give these products on ozonolysis.
Miss, but both will form at the same time.
नहीं, you're not understanding the question. I said both these alkenes would give you the same products on ozonolysis.
Okay, Miss.
मैम वहाँ पे
समझा?
डबल बॉन्ड आएगा ना
कहाँ पर?
CH और C के बीच में. हाँ
ये कोई भी alkene दोनों में से ले लोगे and if you do ozonolysis on this, both these alkenes are going to give you the same three products on ozonolysis. Got it? चाहे ये alkene लो चाहे ये alkene लो, अगर इन दोनों का ओजोनोलिसिस करोगे तो प्रोडक्ट्स ये तीन ही आएंगे ऊपर वाले. समझा कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone not understanding, you ask, please. Rajdeep, what you have to say? Putting the other group as substituent is invalid. Which other group, Rajdeep? Which other group? You can just type it in the chat box. Now इसके कितने मोल्स मिल रहे हैं? 2 मोल्स.
दो.
Am I right? तो इसका तुम्हारा स्टार्टिंग कंपाउंड ये होगा. Did you get this?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
See, I'll show it to you. You are getting 2 moles of glyoxal. तो इसके 2 मोल्स लिखे हैं मैंने. Up to get the original compound, I'll have to remove these oxygen atoms. ये ऑक्सीजन को हटा के इन दोनों कार्बन को डबल बॉन्ड से ज्वाइन करना है. So can I say I'll get a ring here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ये दोनों ऑक्सीजन हटा दिए मैंने और ये कार्बन एटम्स को you join them with a double bond. So this is the starting compound. Okay, Sanvi, I'm showing you the previous page. Yes, Saket, that is anti-aromatic. Okay, sixth one, I've given you 3 moles of glyoxal. Three moles of glyoxal. Did you get benzene?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
ma'am.
I'll show it to you how I've done it. This is the first mole of glyoxal which I have written here. This is the second mole of glyoxal. And this is the third mole of glyoxal. So I've written these 3 moles of glyoxal. What am I going to do? I'll remove these oxygen atoms and join the carbon by double bonds. So if I join these carbon by double bonds, I'll get a double bond here, I'll get a double bond here, and I'll get a double bond here. So can I say I'll get benzene?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you get this?
Can you explain this one?
I just have to remove these oxygen, no? Dekho. There's a double bond O here, double bond O. So what I'm going to do is, I'll remove these oxygen from here. And I'll be joining these 2 carbon atoms. ये वाले 2 carbon with a double bond. ये double bond और ये double bond को, I'll show it like this. This is same as this. ये same ही है ये और ये.
Okay.
ठीक है? Same कैसे हुआ? देखो ये कार्बन और ये कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड है, तो ये कार्बन और ये कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड है. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
अब बीच में कितने कार्बन हैं? एक साइड में 3
Three,
कार्बन है,
3.
तो 1 2 3. इस तरफ कितने कार्बन हैं?
teen.
तो ये तरफ भी 3 है. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Or did you all finish? I have to go for the next.
Done.
Okay. You have 2 moles of acetaldehyde and 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide दो एक लिखना है आपको. And you have to write 2 moles of acetaldehyde. So what am I going to do now?
Cis and trans.
Yeah. Cis and trans नहीं होगा इसमें. इसमें optical isomers होंगे.
Okay, ma'am.
Why optical isomers?
Chiral carbon.
Chiral carbon तो नहीं है इसमें. Optical isomerism क्यों बताएगा ये? क्योंकि ये central carbon क्या hybridized है?
sp2.
SP.
sp है ना? sp है तो can I say इसके 2 pi bonds perpendicular होंगे एक दूसरे से?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये pi bond plane of the board में है, तो ये sigma bonds.
Perpendicular.
Z and E.
Sorry. Zn E कहाँ होगा इसमें? Cis and trans नहीं possible है ना, मतलब geometrical possible नहीं है. This
Yeah.
compound will not have any plane of symmetry, no point of symmetry.
Okay, ma'am.
It will show optical isomerism. और optical isomerism D और L form होगा इसका. Z और E नहीं होगा, D and L. एक डेक्स्ट्रो होगा, एक लीवो होगा. Okay. Now, how many oxygen on this molecule? 2.
Yes, miss.
So I'll remove both these. I'll join this carbon here and this carbon here. Okay. Oxygen हटाकर ये carbon पे 2 hydrogen है. And this carbon has the 2 methyl groups. So this is your alkene. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
ma'am.
Now the last one. Last one, how many combinations you got?
Six.
Very good. Yes. 6 combinations will get. Tomorrow I have a class with you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it a doubt lecture?
No, ma'am, it is a normal lecture.
It's a proper class. No, so I'll be doing hydrocarbon.
Ma'am, can you explain this ninth one again?
Which one? 8th and 9th both? 8th and 9th both or only 9?
Ninth, ma'am.
Sorry?
Only ninth.
Okay. I have to just remove this oxygen and this oxygen and join this carbon at one place and this carbon at the other one. This is symmetrical. So I could join this here and this here. It won't matter. देखो यहाँ से मैंने ऑक्सीजन हटा दिया, यहाँ से भी हटा दिया. This I can join it here and this I can join it here. I could also join this here and this there. It won't matter because the molecule is symmetrical.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Now the last one I'll get 6 combinations because that is unsymmetrical. Can I say this is unsymmetrical?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
That is why 6 combinations are possible. You have acetaldehyde, formaldehyde, and acetone here. So I'm showing you how to get those 6 combinations. Okay, now I remove all the oxygen. I can join formaldehyde here. तो CH2 यहाँ पर acetaldehyde का पार्ट ज्वाइन किया और यहाँ पर acetone का पार्ट. So this is one combination. Now what I can do is here I'll keep formaldehyde only, formaldehyde wala part. But here I can now change it into acetone part. And here I can give keep acetaldehyde. Are these two same?
No.
No.
Now on this carbon, I can keep it acetaldehyde here. Here I can have formaldehyde ka part. And here I can have the acetone ka part. Same way, I can keep acetaldehyde here. And here I can have the acetone wala part. And here I can have the formaldehyde wala part. And finally, I can keep the acetone wala part at the top. Here the formaldehyde wala part और यहाँ पर acetaldehyde वाला part. यहाँ पर फिर से acetone वाला part, यहाँ पर acetaldehyde वाला और यहाँ पर formaldehyde. All these 6 alkenes on ozonolysis will give you these products जो ऊपर है. Okay? All these 6 alkenes will give you the same product जो ऊपर दिए हुए हैं on ozonolysis. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me when you finish writing. Yeah, Shubh, I'll go for the previous one. Just give me, just let the students complete all this. Are you done with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, this is the previous one. This is the answer for the 9th one. And this is the answer for the 8th one. Okay, so now I'm giving you this compound. Give me the product of ozone analysis. How many moles of ozone will be consumed here by the molecule?
Twelve.
Yes, 12 moles. Reason?
सारे double bonds ना मैम.
12 double bonds.
12 double bonds, yes. 12 double bonds, so 12 moles of ozone. So they could also ask you this as an integer based question, the number of moles of ozone consumed by this. So you just have to find the number of double bonds. Okay, can one of you upload the hydrocarbon notes? I think one student wants it. Hydrocarbon ke notes, can anybody put it on the group? Who has a good handwriting and notes down everything like? Nobody is ready also.
Ma'am, they are on the Google Drive on the group.
Google Drive पे है.
हाँ मैम.
सब कुछ है मैम.
सारे notes हैं उसमें.
अरे नहीं मैम, ऑर्गेनिक के बाद के.
ऑर्गेनिक के है.
हाँ,
ऑर्गेनिक
मतलब
के बाद
ऑर्गेनिक के
के.
ही पूछ रहे हैं. ऑर्गेनिक के ही पूछ रहे हैं.
हाँ, किसने अपलोड किया है? एक ड्राइव बनाया किसने?
Okay.
मैम GOCA हाइड्रोकार्बन रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म और आइसोमेरिज्म चारों है.
Okay, I think, but one of the student is not understanding the handwriting. That's what she's saying.
नहीं मैम, ठीक है, अच्छी है.
अच्छा.
It's understandable.
Must 12 moles are required, right?
12 moles because 12 double bonds. No?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
So now give me the products also.
Methanol and ethanol.
How many moles of ethanol did you get?
Wait, I'll check.
You understood from where I got ethanol?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
I've marked those in black. Okay. Four moles of formaldehyde. Did you understand from where I got?
Yes, miss.
I've marked those in
green.
green. Yes. I got 1 mole of acetone, which is marked in orange. Yeah, you have to just break it away and add O. This is glyoxal. From where did I get glyoxal?
Dark green.
Top right.
This is actually olive green, पर कुछ अलग दिख रहा है. So these are the fragments you will get. And now the main molecule I'm writing.
Ma'am,
मैम आप बताओगे ब्रेक कैसे हो जाता है ये?
जहां जहां डबल बॉन्ड है उसको ब्रेक कर दो ना.
नहीं मैम वो नहीं, ये बीच वाले जो मॉलिक्यूल के अंदर है.
हाँ, अभी इसका ब्रेकिंग मैं बता रही हूँ पूरा. ठीक है, अब ध्यान दो जो मैं लिख रही हूँ. ये कहां से चालू किया है मैंने? I've started from here, this point. समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
देखो ये जो डबल बॉन्ड है वो ब्रेक होके यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड आया. फिर यहाँ पर ये वाले कार्बन का डबल बॉन्ड इधर है. ये CH2 है और फिर ये this part is here. Then I have double bond O.
पीछे भी है.
आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम खुल जाएगा पूरा मतलब?
हाँ, वो खुल जाएगा. अब ये कहाँ से चालू किया है मैंने?
नीचे से ग्रीन.
ये वाला. मेरे को इसका डबल बॉन्ड O में समझा है पूरा?
Yes.
समझ
Anyone not understood?
मैम आप एक बार हाईलाइट करके बताओ, हाईलाइटर से चेन कौन सा खुल रहा है कैसे?
ये पार्ट देखो, मैं जो पिंक में बना रही हूँ, वो ये पार्ट है। चेन कंपेयर कर लो, देखो अभी पिंक वाला। समझा है? देखो
यस मैम, समझ गया।
और अभी कौन सा कलर यूज करूं?
ब्लू ही रहने दो।
हाँ, ये ब्लू ही रहने देती हूँ। ब्लू वाला जो है वो इसके साथ जो नीचे वाला प्रोडक्ट दिया है लास्ट वाला, वो कंपेयर। They could give some structures like this and they could ask you the number of moles of formaldehyde given formed during ozonolysis. So what will be your answer here? Of course, they won't give you such a complex molecule to bring about ozonolysis of this. But based on this, they can ask you some questions like I asked just now. Number of moles of ozone used up. Yeah, number of moles of acetone given by this on ozonolysis. Number of moles of formaldehyde given. वैसे ऐसे type के questions पूछ सकते हैं. It will be easier than what I have done here. Or did you finish writing this? I should have written in pink. Okay, are you done with this?
Done.
So ozonolysis I'm done now. What number was this?
4th.
Add on the 5th one as Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reaction. Now Diels-Alder reaction is 4 plus 2 pi cycloaddition reaction. Don't write that 4 plus 2 as 6. There is a reason behind that. Okay. It's a 4 plus 2 pi cycloaddition reaction. Cycloaddition means addition reaction will form a cyclic product. The addition reaction will give you a cyclic product. Such reactions are classified as cycloaddition. So I'll explain this term 4 plus 2. It's a reaction of a system having 4 pi electrons. Okay. How many pi bonds in this compound?
2,
2,
So how many pi electrons?
4,
4,
What is the name of this compound?
butadiene,
Buta
1,3.
Yes. Okay. So a system with 4 pi electrons is going to combine with a system having how many pi electrons here?
2.
2,
Kamlesh, all these are under electrophilic addition. अभी जो भी मैं कर रही हूँ, all are electrophilic addition. Okay. This system having 4 pi electrons is called as a diene. And the system having 2 pi electrons here is called as a dienophile. What do you mean by dienophile? Phile means what?
react spontaneously with.
Phile means to love. So dienophile means it is going to love the diene. Okay. So diene and dienophile, the reaction between them can be initiated by heat or by light. अगर heat use कर रहे हो तो reaction is classified as thermochemical reaction. और light use किया तो it will be classified as photochemical.
Photochemical.
Yes. Okay. So if initiated by heat, it will be thermochemical, and if initiated by light, it will be photochemical. The reaction gives you a 6-membered ring. So is the addition giving you a cyclic product?
Yes, ma'am.
That
Yes.
is why it is classified as a cycloaddition reaction. In Diels-Alder, you will always get a 6-membered ring.
Miss mechanism.
Now, 2 mechanisms have been given for this reaction. The first one I'm doing is the concerted mechanism. What do you mean by concerted mechanism? I have told you what is a concerted mechanism. Concerted mechanisms are those which occur in a single step without any intermediate.
Yes, ma'am.
Involving only transition state. So no intermediate, going through a transition state. I have done 2 concerted mechanisms.
SN to
which-
E2.
Very good. Yes. SN2 and E2 are examples of concerted. Even Diels-Alder is concerted mechanism is also accepted for Diels-Alder. So I'll show you the mechanism. Okay. When you're providing the necessary energy in the form of heat or light, what will happen is the pi bond here is going to break. This pi bond or the pi electrons, it gets transferred between these 2 carbon to form a single bond. Did you understand the first step?
Yes, ma'am.
The pi bond shifts between these 2 carbon to form a single bond. Can this carbon form 5 bonds?
No, ma'am.
No.
So simultaneously, this electron pair will shift between these 2 carbon to form a sigma bond. And this simultaneously shifts here. So I'm just showing it to you. The breaking of this pi bond takes place. The pi bond is going to shift on this carbon. It will shift between these 2 carbon to form a sigma bond. फिर क्या होगा? इसका pi bond break
PGB.
होगा. And it is going to shift here to form a sigma bond here. आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये जो पाई बॉन्ड है ये ब्रेक होने वाला है और यहाँ पर पाई बॉन्ड बनेगा. Okay, so this is the transition state which is going to be formed. How many member transition state? Can I say it is a 6-membered cyclic transition state?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Very,
miss.
very easily achievable because 6-membered rings are very easily formed. This then finally would change into the product. So this is the concerted mechanism given. Then there is an ionic mechanism also. I'll take that also. Did you all finish with the concerted?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I'll explain the transition state once more. What happens is this pi bond shifts here to form a sigma bond here between these two carbon. Simultaneously, this pi bond shifts here to form a sigma bond here between these two carbon. And this pi bond shifts here to form a pi bond here. That is what I have shown. ये pi bond break होगा. यहाँ पर sigma bond बनेगा. ये pi bond break होगा. यहाँ पर sigma bond बनेगा. ये pi bond break होगा. और यहाँ पर pi bond बनेगा. Did you all finish writing?
Done, ma'am.
So this was concerted mechanism. Then there is an ionic mechanism also given for this. इसका जब रेजोनेंस होगा तो क्या होगा? Come on, tell me. Shubh, I'll just get back to that. Can I say ये
बीच में एक डबल बॉन्ड होगा.
हाँ, and can I say this carbon will develop a negative?
नेगेटिव चार्ज. यस मिस.
Okay. Ethene में अगर pi bond supposing एक carbon पे गया, तो what charge on this carbon?
Plus.
So now this is 1 and this is 2. When 1 and 2 combine, can I say this can shift here? This can shift here. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was the ionic mechanism also given for this reaction. Okay, Shubh, you have asked why 4 plus 2. Can I say it is a reaction of a system having 4 pi electrons? This is 4 pi electrons with a system having 2 pi electrons. That is why it is called as 4 plus 2 pi cycloaddition reaction.
Okay,
So
miss. Thank you.
a system with 4 pi electrons is reacting with a system having 2 pi electrons.
So both are observed.
See, concerted mechanism is mostly accepted, but when you have substituents on these, then you have to go through the ionic mechanism. I'll tell you when to use the ion.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Did you all finish writing this?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. I'll give you some
1
examples
minute,
now.
ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Done.
Fine. First, I'll give you some examples, complete those. Then I will tell you when to use the ionic mechanism.
Should we use concerted in these?
Yes, yes. You use concerted. Page 6 you want? Okay, this is the page 6. So now just complete these reactions. Just concentrate on 4 pi electrons and 2 pi electrons. That's all. और जितने भी extra pi electrons है, don't bother about that. Sorry.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
in seventh, there are more than 2 pi electrons.
You have to just concentrate on 2 pi electrons and 4 pi electrons. The other pi electrons, just ignore them.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the second last one, more than one compound will form.
No, 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 only one.
Okay, miss.
Are you done with the remaining, all of them?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just give you 2-3 minutes more. Huh? Just complete fast. Okay, I'm writing the answers. Just check your answers. First one, did you all get?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get the second one?
Yes, ma'am.
What about this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Very good.
मैम फोर्थ वाला बताओ ना.
Okay. Just let me write down and I'll explain all of them. Don't worry. Anyone got all correct?
मैम वो second last one में can the like triple bond form
बेंजाइन है ना वो, बेंजाइन।
yes miss.
हाँ, तो बेंजाइन का जो पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन जो रिएक्टिव होगा वो ये होगा ना, बाकी सारे तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रेजोनेंस में है ना।
Okay ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Okay. See, I'm showing you the answers right from first one. I've just shifted this pi bond here, this pi bond here and this here. तो यहाँ पर ऐसे सिग्मा बॉन्ड बन जाएगा, यहाँ पर भी सिग्मा बॉन्ड. So can I say ये रिंग बन जाएगा? All of you got the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Second one also the same thing. ये एक्स्ट्रा है, ये कार्बन पे ये पार्ट एक्स्ट्रा है, तो ये जो कार्बन है उस पे ये पार्ट एक्स्ट्रा है. सेम थिंग आई हैव डन हियर. ये जो दो कार्बन है वो ये वाले हैं. ये पूरा पार्ट विल फॉर्म द रिंग. नाउ दीज टू कार्बन आर कनेक्टेड लाइक दिस, सो आई हैव जस्ट जॉइन दिस. समझा कि नहीं? देखो, I'll show it to you. अगर ये ऐसा होता तो can I say I would have just got this ring?
Yes, ma'am.
Now these two carbon I have shown like this, connected. So I'm connecting this in the same way. Did you understand what I did?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look at the fourth one. Supposing this is your original compound. This would form this. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this carbon and this carbon, I have shown them connected by this bridge. So this carbon and this carbon, you connect them by those bridge. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now,
Ma'am, can you repeat the fourth one? please?
okay, I'll do it again. If it is simply butadiene and your alkene, that is ethene, can I say you'll get this formation of 6-membered ring?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now these two carbon I have connected by a bridge. So these are the two carbon which I have to connect them by a bridge.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
फोर्थ वाला समझा.
sorry.
फोर्थ वाला एक और बार समझाना.
Okay, I'll do it. खाली ब्यूटाडाइन है और इथीन है, तो can I say I'll get a 6-membered ring like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now these two carbon of butadiene, I have connected them by this bridge. So these two carbon of the butadiene, I have to connect them by the bridge.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
जो जब फॉर्म होता है तो वो ब्रेक होता है सर.
नहीं, ब्रेक नहीं होता है, वो वहीं रहता है.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट वाला देखो, अगर ये इथीन और ये होता, तो can I say I would have simply got the 6-membered ring?
Yes, ma'am.
अब ये जो दो कार्बन है इथीन वाले, I have connected them like this. तो ये जो दो कार्बन है इथीन वाले, I have to connect them like this. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
किसी को नहीं समझा है? Okay. Now this one I'm doing.
मैम वापस एक्सप्लेन करना हो रहा.
कौन सा वाला? ऊपर वाला?
फोर्थ वाला.
ये नीचे वाला?
यस मैम.
अच्छा. अगर ये खाली ब्यूटाडाइन और इथीन होता, can I say I would have got the 6-membered ring?
यस मैम.
अब ये जो दो कार्बन है ब्यूटाडाइन के, आई एम कनेक्टिंग देम बाय दिस ब्रिज. तो ये जो दो कार्बन है ब्यूटाडाइन वाले, आई हैव टू कनेक्ट देम बाय द ब्रिज.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है?
यस मैम.
अच्छा, अब यहाँ ध्यान दो. ये ब्यूटाडाइन है और ये इथीन है. What did I do? So can I say I'm going to get the 6-membered ring?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what am I doing? I'm connecting these two carbon of butadiene by this bridge. So these two carbon of butadiene, again I'm connecting them by this bridge. ये समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, ये जो दो कार्बन है इथीन के, इनको भी ऐसे कनेक्ट किया है मैंने. तो ये जो दो कार्बन है इथीन के, इनको भी ऐसे कनेक्ट किया है. समझा है कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
अब इसमें अगर इथीन होता ये, तो कैन आई से आई वुड हैव सिंपली गॉट this alkene,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
but I have an extra pi bond here, so keep that extra pi bond here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is your butadiene and this is your alkene, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So can I say I'll get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now ये butadiene के ये जो दो कार्बन है, I'm joining them by an oxygen. तो ये butadiene वाले जो दो कार्बन है, I'm joining them by an oxygen. ये समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
अब इथीन का जो दो कार्बन है, ये I have a ring joined, the benzene ring. तो इथीन का जो दो कार्बन है, I'm joining that benzene ring here. समझा कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
समझा.
Okay.
मैम जो सेकंड वाला है ना, मैंने उसका आयोनिक से ट्राई किया मैकेनिज्म, तो मुझे नहीं आया. आप बाद में कर सकते हैं उससे भी.
हाँ, आयोनिक से करना है तो आयोनिक से कर सकते हैं.
मैम पर आया नहीं, आप बाद में दिखा सकते हैं.
Okay, okay, I'll show you. Which one you want?
सेकंड वन.
Second one or second last?
सेकंड.
Okay, second. ठीक है. Okay, अभी ये दो है तो ये मिलेगा लास्ट वाला.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm showing this. ये दो कार्बन I'm connecting by the oxygen. So ये दो कार्बन I have to connect by the oxygen. ये समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
अब ये इथीन के जो कार्बन है I'm connecting them like this. तो ये इथीन के जो दो कार्बन है connected them. Did you get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So see how beautifully these bicyclic, tricyclic compounds are synthesized in a single step using Diels-Alder reaction. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bridges कितने अच्छी तरह से create किए गए हैं simply by a concerted mechanism या ionic जो भी ले लो, but एक ही step में ये पूरे इतने complicated molecules synthesize किए गए हैं. Okay, so he deserved a Nobel Prize for this. हाँ बोलो.
But in the last example which you have given and this, there are two double bonds, miss, in the second reactant.
Is it? Okay.
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll put here one. Fine. So this is the product last one. You want me to do it again?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, miss.
अच्छा, अगर ये ऐसा होता तो ये ऐसा मिलता मुझे.
Yes, ma'am.
अब इसको मैंने ऑक्सीजन से कनेक्ट किया तो इसको भी मैंने ऑक्सीजन से कनेक्ट किया. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इसको मैंने ऐसे कनेक्ट किया विद अ डबल बॉन्ड तो इसको मैं ऐसे कनेक्ट करूंगी विद अ डबल बॉन्ड. समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You wanted me to do the ionic mechanism for which one? I think one person asked for the ionic.
सेकंड वन.
Second one. Okay. All of you finished writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
अब इन दोनों को कंबाइन करो.
Okay, ma'am. Got it. Thank you.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when you have to compulsorily use the ionic mechanism that I'm telling you. Supposing if I have a structure like this. And say one substituent here. Now this will give you how many products? Can I say इस पे भी एक substituent है, इस पे भी एक substituent है?
Yes, ma'am.
तो जब रिंग बनेगा, how are you going to join those substituents? मतलब substituents कौन से position पे होंगे? That will matter. See, I can get this. Sorry.
1,2.
I could have got this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The other possibility is I could have got this. ये कैसे बनेगा?
नीचे वाला अगर शिफ्ट हुआ तो
नीचे वाला नहीं, अगर इसको मैं इस मॉलिक्यूल को मैं I can also write it like this, no?
मिस उल्टा कर सकते हो ना, आप फ्लिप कर सकते हो.
Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मिस.
हाँ, तो अब how will you decide कि कौन सा प्रोडक्ट आएगा इसमें? Can I say इसमें रेजोनेंस होगा?
Yes, ma'am.
तो इस कार्बन पे चार्ज क्या आएगा?
Negative.
मिस नेगेटिव.
नेगेटिव. हाँ, तो जब यहाँ नेगेटिव आएगा, अब इसमें जब रेजोनेंस होगा, तो could you tell me कि जब ये शिफ्ट होगा, तो ये पाई बॉन्ड कहाँ शिफ्ट होगा?
Inside towards O.
हाँ, that means can I say इस कार्बन पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज आने वाला है?
Yes, ma'am.
So this negative charge has to attack here only. Are you understanding? It cannot attack this carbon. Why it cannot attack this carbon?
It has negative.
Because
charge.
it's already.
It has a
So this is the positively charged. So here the ionic mechanism has to work. In other words, when this is going to shift here, this would be shifting here, and what charge would be coming here?
it's positive.
Positive.
So you have to join this carbon with this carbon. All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So the product will be this and not this. So ionic mechanism is going to help you here. Got it? So when you have substituent, single substituent on your diene and the dienophile, then you have to go for ionic mechanism. Then only you will be able to get the correct product. I hope all of you have understood this.
Miss, could you repeat the statement once again?
If you have a single substituent on the diene and single substituent on the dienophile, then please go for ionic mechanism. Okay. Because the position of the substituent now will matter in the product. Vidula. Okay, all of you have understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute.
I have
Right.
asked you to solve aromatic hydrocarbons from the
Yes,
booklet. Are you
Yes,
doing
ma'am.
it or no?
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yeah.
want it completed by next class. Huh? Next class means next week, not tomorrow. Next week I want your aromatic hydrocarbons booklet to be completed. Did you all get it, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
No excuses now. अब इस कॉलेज के एग्जाम्स हो गए हैं, ओके? वरना सारा पेंडिंग हो जाएगा सब आप लोगों का.
मैम एरोमेटिक मतलब आपने जीओसी में जो पढ़ा था थोड़ा बहुत वो.
हाँ हाँ, उससे कवर हो जाएगा. वो जो एक्टिवेशन वाला टेबल है ना पूरा, याद है मैंने जीओसी में एक्टिवेशन वाला टेबल दिया था, डिक्रीजिंग एक्टिवेशन वाला.
हाँ हाँ.
वो टेबल से तुम्हारा मोर देन 60% ऑफ द बुकलेट विल बी डन. वो एक टेबल ही काम आ जाएगा तुमको 50 to 60% बुकलेट के लिए. और बाकी देखो मैंने फ्रीडल क्राफ्ट्स और नाइट्रेशन, सल्फोनेशन वगैरह कराया था, याद है?
यस मैम.
हाँ, so that will help you covering the remaining part. Just I think 2-3 reactions are remaining which I'll be taking up after completing hydrocarbons. Anyway, you can solve more than 90% of your booklet, aromatic hydrocarbons.
Okay मैम.
So by next class it has to be done. Next class means next week I'm saying. Okay.
Okay मैम.
Don't give any excuses now. Booklet will be whatever doubts you have, I'll be discussing those in the next week. Okay, next is addition of carbene, also known as methylene. This is also a cycloaddition reaction. What do you mean by cycloaddition reaction?
When the product forms a cyclic compound.
Yes. The addition here will result in a cyclic product. Here alkene when treated with what is the CH2N2? Have I told you all what is CH2N2? Diazomethane. I think I've told you, no? Nahin? Why it is called as diazomethane?
2 nitrogen.
Because there are 2 nitrogen.
And 1 carbon. Am I right?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
You can use diazomethane or you can use this compound. इसमें functional group कौन सा है? ये कौन सा functional group है?
Mosquito.
Ketone. And can I say ketone वाले carbon पे double bond भी है carbon के साथ?
Yes, miss.
तो इसको ketone नहीं बोलते हैं, इसको ketene बोलते हैं. Why ketene?
Because
of the double bond.
between the 2 carbons.
Yes. Ketone के साथ ene भी है, तो ketene.
बस कुछ ketine करके is not possible, right?
नहीं, ketine नहीं होगा. कैसे क्यों नहीं होगा आप बताओ?
Must like 5 carb. Sorry,
Carbon
5
cannot
electron.
form 5
Must
bonds.
will have an expanded octet. Sorry.
The reaction will proceed to form a cyclic product. इस reaction में हमेशा 3-membered ring बनता है. Okay. You always get a 3-membered ring.
मैम पर अनस्टेबल होगा ना?
नहीं my dear, unstable क्यों? Less stable बोलो, less stable.
लेस स्टेबल.
Unstable नहीं बोल
होगा ना?
सकते हो. Unstable मतलब intermediate होता है वो, समझा?
मैम एंड
Intermediates मैंने आपको 6 करवाए हैं, वो 6 ही याद रखने हैं. कौन से 6 intermediates करवाए हैं मैंने?
कार्बोकैटायन,
Carpatine.
कार्बोनाइल, कार्बीन.
बेंजाइन.
हाँ, नाइट्रीन, बेंजाइन और फ्री रेडिकल, समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
उनको
Yes.
अनस्टेबल बोल सकते हैं, इनको अनस्टेबल नहीं बोल सकते हो. These are cyclopropane is less stable than the remaining cycloalkanes. Why it is less stable? Because of
Yes.
angles. Yeah, Bayer strength. Okay. Don't call it unstable. Unstable means it will not exist.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है, इसका mechanism I'll take it tomorrow. I think time up हो गया है. The mechanism of addition of carbene I'll start tomorrow. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm ending the class. And aromatic hydrocarbons, I repeat, you'll have to solve it by next week anyhow. No more extra days to be given. I've been telling you since a very long time.
Miss, when will you discuss it? Matlab which day?
Next week. Next week, which day I will tell you. Okay. Let
Okay,
the what you say schedule come up, and then I'll tell you. So one lecture I'll be taking for the discussion of aromatic hydrocarbons.
Ma'am, we also have college tomorrow.
You have college tomorrow.
लेक्चर के
ma'am.
टाइम पे
ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है?
मालूम नहीं
मैम कल 9 to 12:40
lecture
कॉलेज.
कितने बजे है मेरा लेक्चर?
8
8
o'clock.
I think 8 to 9:30
हाँ तो यू हैव टू अटेंड माय क्लास ना, इसमें दो बात क्या है?
Yes, sir.
सोचना
We will attend your class only, ma'am.
हाँ सर,
सोचना क्या है उसमें?
हम लोग सेंटर कोऑर्डिनेटर से पूछे कि वो क्लासेस कुछ आगे पीछे करने
हाँ वो बोल सकते हो, बट यू हैव टू अटेंड दिस लेक्चर.
ओके मैम.
ओके मैम
अदरवाइज हाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड? खुद ही सोचो. ठीक है, चलो बाय, सी यू ऑल टुमारो.
थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, miss. Bye, miss.
Thank you मैम.
Yes. Bye.